What's up, GFM? This is Justin from Studio G and welcome to G Academy. In this super honest review, let's look at the SAB Panel Liners by Samawangu from Korea. We will talk about the price, the durability, the ease of use, and who is this for. Let's do this. Panel liners, chisels, scribers, however you want to call it, they are not cheap, and there's a reason behind it. They are precision-made tools. They require a certain expertise in manufacturing, and not every manufacturer can do them. Sure, there are a lot more cheaper options, more affordable options, but those can only get you that far. If you're looking forward to leveling up your scribing skills, then you should definitely invest in a good set of scribers. Let's be honest, the SAB panel liners are not cheap at all. They go for $30-$95 on retail, and that is only for one size. They come in 11 sizes ranging from 0.1mm, 0.15, 0.2, all the way up to 1mm. Meaning if you get all 11 of them, it's gonna cost you somewhere around $300 plus minus. The main question is, do you need all of them? Well, the answer is no! No! Typically for scribing for high grade or real grade kids, I would go for 0.15, 0.2, and 0.5 to create recess area for notches. For master grades, I would go for 0.2, 0.3, and last but not least, 0.6mm. And for perfect grades, I would definitely go for 0.3, 0.4, and 0.7. So it depends on what you're working on and what you usually work on. To sum this section of the video up, I would say the price is really good for the quality that you get. If you're serious about scribing, or if you're serious about leveling up your skills, then they are definitely worth your investment. Anyway, there's nothing to talk about their packaging. It's only plastic bag with the scriber and some rubber tubes in it, that's all. Durability is the one single aspect of a scriber that you can't ignore. Because you wouldn't want a scriber that you use for several times and then it gets dull, isn't it? Well, the SAB panel liners are durable as fuck. Seriously, they are damn tough, man. Well, that's because they are made with high quality tungsten steel, and I stand behind that statement. I even emailed the manufacturers in Korea just to talk to them about theirs, and the additional point that they gave me is that each scriber is handmade. Every single one of them. I use them heavily on about 4 kits right now, and to be honest, they are still brand new and they are still very sharp. For those who watch my video on my main channel, Studio G, you guys know how much I love scribing and how much I scribe on my kits. I pretty much scribe every single armor that is on the kit just to keep the design consistent, and I also alternate between sizes a lot just to keep the design interesting or complicated or from looking too plain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because the next Tutorial Tuesday video is all about scribing. This segment is about how efficient you can be with the SAB panel liner. The scriber's design is pretty much like the legendary Scriber BNC. They are really good, which we can't find anywhere in Japan right now, and if you know where can I buy those, please let me know, because I'm dying to try them out myself just to find out how legendary they are. The SAB panel liners, they have a rectangular unibody design, and the tip is wedged between a U-shaped notch that is soldered as well. I like this design a lot, and the rectangle body is really nice to hold. You can really prevent the scriber from rolling on your finger while you're scribing, you know, like when you get like those weird angles and stuff like that, you can really hold on to it. And also you can prevent the scribers from rolling off your table. Well, having a unibody means that you don't really have to buy additional holders to hold them, and that means money saved. The existing length of the scriber is really good enough to hold, and to be honest, I have pretty big hands and I find them really nice to use as well, even for a long period of time. They come in a rubber transparent tube and also a black one that they provide as well. I slide up the tube when I'm using them, and when I'm not using them, I slide them back up just to protect them, because the worst thing that can happen to your scriber is not the scriber's getting dull, but instead it rolled off your table and the tip is not protected and boom, it hits the floor, chip the tip up, bye-bye. So who is this scriber for? If you're just starting out, I would not recommend you to get this because they are pretty expensive, and if you're not familiar with scribing at all, you're not going to make full use of the potential. But if you are a pro looking for alternatives, or if you are trying to level up your skill in scribing, then I would 100%, 200%, 300% recommend you this Scriber. My score for the SAB Panel Liner would be 9 out of 10. And why 9 but not 10? It's because I wish that they could have come up with even more sizes, like more than 1 millimeter, to be honest, because sometimes we do need to use them for chiseling stuff out for real. Other than that, I have no complaints at all. If you like this super honest review, let me know by smashing the like video 2021 style, or however style you are doing in 2021, and comment below and let me know what kind of Scriber are you using right now. Subscribe to the channel as well, because I have even more tools to review just for you guys. Just check out my background. I mean, I have a lot of tools that I haven't talked about yet. Thank you for watching, never stop building, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. So you can prevent the Scribers from rolling in the deep, like Adele. Like Adele.